Welcome back to the Gardener's Hands, where we show you how to do farming in the most simplest of ways. So about a month ago, we prepared seedbeds for Managu, that is black nightshade, or you can call it the African nightshade. We prepared three seedbeds to be precise. Two were from locally prepared seeds, and one of the seedbed was from the seeds that were processed, sourced from the nearby agrovet. Actually, we did not know the variety of the locally prepared seeds, since we sourced them from one of our neighbors. Since it is now grown and ready for transplanting, we now know it is from the common variety of the larger leaves. So today in the farm we have two varieties of Manago that we're going to show you in this video.
So for this type of managu, these are the ones with small leaves and they are bitter ones. And one thing I've realized about them is that you may easily confuse them with uh, weed. One of the weed, the blackjack weed. As you can see, like this one here, this one is a weed. You may easily confuse them with the blackjack weed. Otherwise, they are doing good and yes. We have started transplanting them slowly by slowly into the field. Uh, Let me show you where we are transplanting them. So this is where we have been transplanting this type of managu into the field that we had already prepared. We're transplanting them early in the morning, and so right now it is around 2 3 p.m. in the day, and at least they are doing good. At least they are becoming firm. By the next day, I believe they will be more stable and able to grow on their own. One thing about the manago that you need to know about the seedling is that once they grow, they usually come up with two leaves. These two leaves are the ones that enable them to grow fast, to produce their own food and energy. Yes, the first two leaves. I believe you're able to see here one of them that I'm carrying on my hand. There are two leaves that are at the very beginning of the stem after the root. So those are the first leaves that come out before they now uh, bear the true leaves. Here they. So these are the second type of managu with big leaves. They are different from the first ones with small leaves, and for these ones they're not that very bitter. Yes, uh, they grow the same. In fact, we planted one day apart. We placed them in two seed beds. As you can see, some few meters or a meter away, you can see the other seed bed that we have been busy transplanting them into the field. So these are the remaining ones that have remained in the seed bed, ready to be transplanted in 1 2 days. We'll be transplanting them because they are already mature, ready to be transplanted. So those are the two types of manago that we have planted in our field. Actually, this is a very well grown manago, the ones with the larger leaves. As you can see, it has a very large leaf. So this one is the one that is well grown. In fact, when harvesting, you just go to the base of it and cut it right there, the base. Once at the base, you cut it there, you harvest and remain with some few branches for regrowing for the second harvest and subsequent harvest. As you can see in this other line here, this one has already been harvested. Right here, when you look closely, you'll realize that it has been cut. So this is the branch that is always left when harvesting for it to regrow again. So in these few lines that we have here already, they are ready for uh, weeding. Once we weed, then they'll be ready for the next harvest. So for more information and more videos for farming, you can subscribe to our channel, like, share, and enjoy the moment. Thank you.